So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to form an LLC in Virginia. So what you want to do is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com, and then scroll down here, choose the option of LLC, and then choose the state. For example, now we want Virginia. Click here on Virginia, click Get Started. After that, choose the plan that you want. I recommend you to choose Deluxe or the complete plan. So after you choose the plan, I'm gonna go with the complete plan because it has the best value, as you can see. You can also check the options that you want to add from here, as you can see. After that, click continue, and now it will take you into this page. Now right here you want to fill those informations, and after you fill those informations here, click go to payment, and that's it. You will be paying this amount here, and that's it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.